Hey guys, thank you so much for tuning in again. My name is Tando, and as you know, this is the attempted weekly vlog slash DIY video that I've got going on. I'm in my bedroom right now and I'm catching like that last bit of day sun. It's actually quite lovely. I've probably not ever shown you guys this, but the sunsets in this bedroom are so warm, so beautiful, and that's probably why we ended up also choosing this place, because of some of the views and all of that. So I'm hoping to show you guys a glimpse of that towards the end of this video. But let's get back to the point. The main reason that you are here, I'm guessing, is because you've been following up on my bedroom makeover, and the day is finally here. The reveal, it's reveal day today, and I'm going to be taking you guys through what I managed to do whilst I style the bedroom, and show you how it is that I've actually created this hotel bed. Because as much as I've tried to make my bed before with maybe just like a single piece of of the items that I've used right now, it's rather looked flat, and I'm going to show you how to achieve the look that I've got going on right now. So if you guys are new here, please don't forget to subscribe, share, and you can leave a comment actually about what you thought about this makeover. And if you've not seen parts 1 up to 3 of the makeover, which would be the headboard, it would be, what other pieces? I painted the walls, I added some detailing on the wall on part 2. Part 3 was the shopping haul and unboxing. So this is going to be the final for now part, as I had mentioned to those who follow me on social media that I still need a couple of items in the bedroom, namely a chair or like a bench that I'm going to be using in my makeup station in this vanity area over here, as well as a storage compartment slash bench as well, and a mirror. I also need some artwork. I've not worked on any art pieces besides the small little thrift flip that I did, which was a beautiful, delicate little thing that turned out from a 5 rand thrift. I am very thrifty, guys, and I do love that you can elevate anything from whatever price that you can pick it up at. So yeah, do join me as I show you those. And to those who are returning, my returning subscribers, I'm so grateful for you guys. I'm incredibly grateful for you guys following me through my journey of building this home and starting and learning more about the interest that I have in decoration and design, furniture design, and all of those. And for the guys who don't already follow me on Instagram, please do follow. I'm gonna leave a link in the description box below where you guys can catch up with me on Instagram, as I post there, I think daily. I try to do a reel daily and a post as often as I can. I'm always catching up with you guys on what's the latest, where the sales are, where to shop the looks, which you will find at your higher end or more expensive homeware stores, or other items around the home for lifestyle and all that, where to shop them for less, where to thrift them, and how to flip them if you do get them. So again, we're back to the bedroom makeover reveal. I hope you stay tuned till the end and leave a comment about which piece of these that I made over and styled that you like the most. Bye! Hey again, guys. So this is the before we're working with, where I've actually made the headboard and painted the wall, but I hadn't actually changed any of the bedding that I had previously styled on my bed in the bedroom. So we're gonna do a takedown and keeping what I do keep. So now I do try to replace and wash the pillows as often as I possibly can. The pillowcases I wash weekly. I'm gonna keep the pillows and the larger king-sized pillows on the bed. I'm gonna be using a total of about 9 pillows. So I'm just removing these navy sham covers off of these standard pillows, and I'm gonna be replacing it with the new look that you're gonna be seeing unfold right now. So as I did say in the intro earlier, the look that I've been trying on my bed has left it looking flat, especially because, as you see, I've just pulled off an empty non-inner duvet cover, as well as this duvet cover, and that was all I had on my bed to try and make it look as fluffy as possible. The quilt, the navy quilt that I'm removing off of there right now, was also quite flat as it doesn't have an inner within it. So the previous look had me in a lot of grays, whites, blues, and mustards, which is a very nice color scheme and I do like it, but I appreciate it more in the summery months, as it does look and fit that season quite well. So what I'm going to be going for right now is a more calmer, toned down, cozy, and very homely feel, and so which includes a lot of whites and nudes as well as natural tones. So first up, I did lay a mattress protector. This, as well as cushioning, protects your mattress from any humidity, sweating that may happen, and this helps you then prevent molding as much as you possibly can. And I follow it up with a fitted sheet. So all the sizings that I did get here were for my queen sized bed. I did, however, notice that this fitted sheet, although it said queen, was slightly longer. Well, not longer, but wider. So I'm guessing that's because this is an extra length bed. So in that way, we did lose a little bit of width. But I did fold it in a little bit more on the one side just to even it out and let it be as smooth as possible. So next on our list is a flat sheet. This is a size double/queen. And the reason that you need a flat sheet, guys, well, the reason that I use the flat sheet for is it allows me not to wash my blankets as often as you are suggested to wash them if you are not using a flat sheet. So what I do, instead of washing the blankets weekly to bi-weekly, is I wash the sheets. So I remove both the flat and the fitted sheet, and sometimes even the mattress protector, to give my bed a little bit of a refresh in between washes for my blankets. As it's winter, I am going to layer this up with a fleece blanket for warmth and follow it up with a quilt, or I'd rather call this like a comforter. It has this embroidered look, so it's this natural tan color with like florals on it on the other side. So I'm going to lay it down upside down and follow that up with my duvet cover, and as I fold it over, that's when you get to see the pattern then under. I'm actually covering up the duvet cover edge there with the comforter, and I'm folding the fleece blanket, and I'm doing a separate fold, a bifold of the sheet, so that when you look on the side of the bed, you see the sheet folded over as well as the comforter, but you don't see the edging of the duvet cover on top that's also folded over. So I've replaced the pillow covers, as I've said, with the new set. So in total, I'm going to have I'm actually going to have a total of 4 standard pillows, which I am going to be recovering with these white pillow covers, as well as 2 times of the king sized pillows, which do come in white already. So I wasn't covering those at all. So I did end up trying out a couple of looks for the king size pillow placement. As you can see, if I put them right in the front, they actually cover up the standard size pillows. So I eventually decided to move them all the way to the back and give them a good old chop, just so that you can see the two tabs on either end. The next set of pillow covers that I'm going to be using are the 45 by 45 pillow covers that are velvet, and I purchased these from Camdor for 30 rands each, so they were quite a great deal, guys. And I'm going to be using them to cover these 45 by 45 centimeter pillow scatter pillows that I bought from Pep stores. So two of these are a little bit old, as I've had them in the house, and only the one is new, so I'll try to be fluffing them up as well, just to give them a fuller look. These older pillows gave me a little bit of a battle just to get that chopped look. So because they're so set in a shape, they did really refuse a little bit, but I did try to chop them as much as I could. So now for the newest of the scatter pillows, I did have to kind of separate that synthetic fiber in between, just to get the look of it going before I put it in the pillow cover. And that helped me actually gain the shape a lot more. The last of the bedding styling items that I did have was this faux fur blanket that I bought also from Camdor for 270 rands. So I just laid this initially and I was quite confused on how to kind of ruffle it the way I wanted to look, but in the end I just scrunched it up. I did try like a more diagonal look, but that left it looking not as uniform, so it's not as big or as wide as my queen sized mattress, so I did have to forego it laying down by the sides as well. So that was mostly it for the bed, guys. The rest of the video is styling, and it's just going to give you a final look of how everything looks in unison. So please do enjoy and comment below which of these were your fave. Now, as a safety tip, guys, I hope you did see me there switching off from the socket the lights before I did give them a damp cloth wipe, as well as a dry kitchen towel wiping, just to remove some of the lint that was on the bulb itself. The only thing I really do dislike about this bright colored bedding is the amount of dusting off of fluff that I had to do. And this was like the first night of it on. It hadn't even been on for an hour. And I was picking up fluff, but this was mostly from the items that I was trying to style and move around the bed. So yeah, as you can see, guys, I fluffed and fluffed and fluffed some more the pillows, and I chopped them again and again just to see if I'm achieving the look that I desired. And to my surprise and pleasure, these did have that warm glow of lighting that I actually did desire. So I was quite happy with the look, and this is the final look, guys. Thank you so much again for stopping by and watching this all the way to the end. Please do comment below, share and subscribe if you haven't yet already.